Is your client seeing a big, fat nothing when they should be collaborating with you on Basecamp? Let's fix that. First, let's check permissions in Basecamp. Navigate to the project your client should be accessing, then click on the People and Permissions section. This is usually found on the left-hand sidebar. Ensure your client is actually listed as a member of the project. If they're not there, that's your problem. Click the Add People button and invite them using their email address, making sure to designate them as a client. Next up, visibility settings. Head to the project's settings, usually a gear icon or a menu with 3 dots. Check the project's visibility settings. If the project is set to private, make sure your client has been explicitly granted access. Still no luck? Let's revisit invitations. Perhaps the client never received or activated their invitation. Resend the invitation from the People and Permissions section, and kindly ask your client to check their spam or junk folder. It's also worth confirming that the client is associated with specific elements within the project. For example, if you use the @mention feature, make sure to tag the client to ensure they will receive relevant notifications about project activity. If none of these steps work, Basecamp's help documentation is your best friend. Search for keywords like client access, permissions, or invitation issues. The official Basecamp support site provides comprehensive guides and facts.